How to create a thumbnail using Canva. So you click on Canva. Once it opens, you go ahead to click on YouTube thumbnails, and that's going to load. Once it's loaded, you're going to see samples, lots and lots of thumbnails that has already been created. Beautiful thumbnails that you can use and edit to your style depending on the video you're shooting. So we went ahead to select one thumbnail from this. So at the end of the day, we ended up picking the daily vlog thumbnail format. So we clicked on the daily vlog thumbnail format, and then we are going to work on it and edit it to the video that we are actually trying to upload. Select the particular picture that we want to remove or work on. So first of all, we'll select the middle picture. You click on it and then click on replace. So from the replace, you select from your recent pictures or from your gallery, anyone at all. So this is our recent picture. We've selected the picture we want to use to replace it, and then we'll click on the second one and then replace to choose a second picture. So we'll try to crop this picture to zoom it more in to see the beauty of it. I tried zooming this picture to see the beauty, but at the end of the day, I found out that the picture is looking so blur. It's not clear, so I have to change it again. I clicked on it and on the replace. So this is me finding another picture to use. So I selected the picture from my image and then replaced it. This is how it's looking. I'm still not feeling it. There's something about this thumbnail. Once you're creating it, you'll be feeling it. If you're getting it, you will feel it. So I was still not feeling it, so I have to still change it again and again and again. I'll keep changing them till I get what I want. So this is me choosing another picture altogether, cropping it, placing it, and I was still not feeling it. So we'll keep working on this thumbnail till we get what we want. I was changing and changing. Then my right up, the daily vlog has gone to the back. So I had to click on it, click on position, and then bring it forward. That's how it came to the front. So let's continue working on the pictures to get what we want.